Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston 2022 28 Vantage. It's an incredible boat. It's one of our number one sellers here. One of the main features on this you'll see is the dive door on it, and it's powered by the new Mercury 250 horsepower, plenty of horsepower, gets you right up on the plane, and a great top end. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 28 Vantage. Start at the back of the boat, so if you're not going fishing for the day, you got the really nice fold-down seat, very, very comfortable for a couple adults. If you're going to fish, you lift it right up. It's out of the way, nice leaning post. Rod holders in the back. You've got a really nice, the new addition on the 28, very large live well, right at the back of the boat, very convenient for you. And again, I mentioned the dive door on it. It's fantastic. You got a ladder that is a very solid, heavy-duty ladder. So if getting on and off the boat, it also has a handle to pull you on when you're getting on the boat, and it's great for bringing the fish in. Instead of bringing them over the gunnel where you may lose them, you can drag them right through. Very comfortable seat here. It does all kinds of different things. The ladder is stored underneath. Two people can lounge facing this way, and two people. Right, so it does really a lot of different things, which I think is very cool. And then one of the new seat back here, so this is an extra seat. It also doubles at a really nice cooler, so it's pretty big. You can just dump all your beverages in there. A couple bags of ice, self-draining, does a great job. And as we move to the little sink area, good size sink. And then the helm, set up very, very nicely on the helm. You've got a large 12-inch Raymarine. You've got the Fusion stereo, the SmartCraft VHF radio, digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick. Boat goes sideways. It's got skyhook, locks me in a position, great for looking at the sunset. And it's got autopilot where I can just point and shoot, and the boat takes you right there. It's much easier for you. You don't have to drive the boat all the time, so the joystick is just fantastic. So we have the head area. So very large head. You got the vacuum flush toilet down there. That's your canvas that you're looking at. So you got full canvas for the boat as well. Plenty of headroom. And then storage. This is where your table and table leg is stored as well. For trash, very bucket down there, so you put the trash, and when you go to empty it, just take the 5-gallon pail out, empty it, put it back in. It's a great, great idea. I can also access the storage from here, and then you can really see the size. So it's there's your trash bed, the barrel I was talking about. There's your table, but it's life jackets, extra fenders, all that stuff down there. Great storage. And you've got a filler cushion, so this makes a nice sun pad up here, which is very comfortable. This will pull out if you just want regular seating. And then we've got the ladder and the windlass. So here's your windlass. It's out of the way. It's not sitting on the top of the boat, so it's very, very, very safe this way. The ladder deploys off the boat, so you can drive right up onto the beach, on and off the boat from the sand versus being in the water. And it's off to the side now versus over the anchor, which is much safer way to do it. And then when you get on the boat, get sand on your feet, rinse it off. You don't bring the sand into the boat. So with the hard top is gorgeous. The boat is just a great all-around boat. It'll go anywhere you want. And if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.